Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix the fact that the keyboard in Word not working. One of the errors that usually occurs is activating the filter keys without realizing it, and this causes us to not be able to write normally. This happens when we accidentally hold down the Shift key for at least 8 seconds. In addition, a notice usually appears talking about set activation that will cause the keyboard to be locked and that we accept unintentionally. To deactivate it, we will also hold down the right Shift key for about 8 seconds. After this, a deactivation sound will be heard, and the keyboard will now function normally, and you will be able to type without problems. If this doesn't work, we can also go to Start with the mouse and then click on Settings. After that, we will enter Accessibility, and there we will look for the keyboard option. Inside here, you are going to deactivate special keyboard functions that you see activated, especially if you have the filter keys activated. Deactivate them. After that, we can write normally again in Word with our keyboard. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.